Alright guys, we were going to do some scouting this morning at a place, but I still got a little bit of work to do on my new rig to get into a spot I'm going to check out. So I decided to go a different route this morning. We're going to go do some fishing. I know of a spot possibly to catch a fish that I have never caught before. It's one of the only few places in the state of Georgia that you can catch one of these. So yeah, we're gonna go up here and give it a try this morning. See what happens. It's about 8 o'clock, so it's just now starting to warm up. It's 70 degrees, so by the time we get there, it should be a little bit warmer than that. The sun getting on up, so yeah, stick with me. We're gonna get to do some fishing today. Something new for the channel. First catch of the day, a little rock bass out here in the creek. Ooh. A little deeper than what it looks. Yeah, I like that pool right there. I figured there'd be something in that. Oh yeah, I got something here. What we got? Something was behind it. Oh, little old rock bass. Oh, there's another one. The little bitty guy's in that hole. Look how little this guy is. He's teeny tiny. Pretty little old guy though. Oh, another bite. They're over there. They're stacked in over there, it seems like. Well, oh! Right here when I was about to pull it out of the water. There's one. Oh, he's a little bitty guy. Oh, it's a bluegill. Haven't caught one of them yet. I don't know. It's a like a red breast maybe. I got stuff hitting at it. Of course, after I'm done wasn't videoing, and I catch a nice Coosa bass. It's hard to say how big he is. He's not very big, maybe 10 inches. Sweet. Alright, let's see if we can catch another one. Caught that last Coosa bass on the Rebel Craw. Felt like a bite there. Of course, I won't catch another fish now that I got the video camera on. Water got cloudy all of a sudden. I don't know why it got so cloudy. It was clear. That little Coosa bass is the first fish I've caught in seems like a couple hours. I'm not sure why the creek has gotten so nasty all of a sudden. It was nice and clear when I first got here this morning. Now it's all brown and murky. Not sure what's going on. Well, it's hot, and all I've caught was a couple rock bass and a Coosa bass, no smallmouth. So I don't know what happened to the creek. It got all murky, as you can see behind me. It's super murky. It was clear. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna call it a day and come back another time. So.